Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to show you how you can create a cPanel account from a WHM. So this is going to be our first video of cPanel and WHM tutorial. So I am opening my browser, then logging into my WHM account. You can see I have logged in. Now you have to click on create new account. I am clicking here. Then first of all you have to select your domain name, like I'm selecting remove.com. Then it will automatically take a username. Then you have to enter a password. You can simply generate from here. I am generating this. Then you have to enter your customer's email address. Then you have to choose a package, or you can select options manually. In our next video we will show how you will create a package. If you click on select options manually, you have to select all options manually, like storage, monthly bandwidth limit, max FTP accounts, max email accounts, max SQL databases, such details. Then you have to click on create. Here it will take some time for creating your cPanel account. You can see my account has been successfully created. This is my account info. I can send it to my customers. Now let's try to log in. This is my cPanel URL. Now I am logging into my cPanel account using the name of demo, and password is this. You can see I have successfully logged in, and this is our newly created cPanel. In this simple way, you can create cPanel from your WHM account. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to buy reseller hosting or WHM account, you can contact us via Telegram. You will find my Telegram account in the description box.